Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. Friends, I will show you beautiful Easter centerpiece decoration ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So we will first ideas. Easter eggs. Easter eggs are colorful and beautiful. They show new life and hope. People decorate egg in bright color. It is a fun and creative activity for everyone. And dear friends, Easter morning. Spring and nature. Easter coming the season of spring. Flowers are blossoming everywhere. The air feels soft and fresh. Nature looks alive and colorful. I feel like a new beginning. And dear friends, elegant table look. This Easter centerpiece makes your table look beautiful. It's give a soft and fresh feeling, perfect for family dinners and special celebration. And friends, try this. Bunny theme Easter centerpiece. I like cute bunny in the center. It's been a fun and happy Easter with small details make a big difference. And friends, you like my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more videos, updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.